Hello, welcome back to the Garage Couple. You, me, you, me. I feel like I've probably said that before. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Garage Couple. For those of you just tuning in, my name is Aline. This is my JKU.
And my name is Greg. I drive that TJ Rubicon that is better than this JKU. But anyways, what is today's episode?
Rude. Well, on this week's episode, we are going to show you the absolute best power washer that everyone needs in their garage at all times. This one's even portable, so you can take it on the go, and it is by Lippert. Recently, we had a charity event, and this one was one of the hottest items on the raffle table, so we thought we'd give you a tour of the item itself, and in honor of Father's Day, maybe we'll give a few away.
Not just one, not just two, but we are going to be giving 3 of these away to our lucky viewers. We already have the codes for the website, so stick around to hear exactly how you could go ahead and land one of these in your own garage.
You guys hear Ruby in the back? He can hear us. He just wants to be a part of Garage Couple, but a little bit challenging, you know, with little baby. Anyways, you guys, so background on power washers. Regular hoses don't really do it. When you off-road, when you go in mud a lot, when it rains, it leaves marks on your paint. So it is essential if you're looking to keep your Jeep clean, make sure that it's getting a fresh wash, maybe with a little bit of foam. You need an efficient power washer.
So that's where this comes in. This is a cool unit because it's portable. It has its own lithium-ion battery pack as well as a 20-foot extension hose. And it looks like it even has a reservoir so you could put your foam or your maple syrup in there probably.
On your pancakes.
On your pancakes. To just power wash the pancake with maple syrup. But you can put your soap in there and go ahead and shoot it on the vehicle. So we're going to go ahead and walk you through the whole unboxing of this product, as well as we are going to be spraying Aline's JK Wrangler to show you how effective it actually is. And I'm actually curious to see how it is with the decals on the Jeep. Now this device has 6 different spray nozzles, so we'll go ahead and find the one that's perfect for us. So why don't we go ahead and see if we could even foam cannon this thing.
Let's do it.
Why don't you go ahead and open her up.
Ooh. Nozzle, it looks like it has the degrees labeled at the top, the foam, the shower, the different angles.
I will take these as you take them out.
Alrighty. Oh wow, this has some oomph to it. Wow.
You just hand, oh wow.
Check that out, you guys. Check that out.
So cool.
So sleek. Here is the holder of the foam. Dun, dun, dun. Clips right there. Here is the hose that Greg was referring to earlier. Has a little baggie so you can keep everything neat and organized. And here, it looks like the charging port. Plugs right in.
But we're definitely not going to charge it before the first use. Speaking of which, here's the battery. Looks like one of those high-end drill batteries, you know. Feels pretty heavy. I'm not exactly sure on the specs, but we'll definitely figure it out. Looks like it has a button there, 2 out of 3 charge. Fantastic.
Looks like the extension. Here's the button. I'm guessing to release some of that foam, but we will confirm in a minute.
Last box.
Last box.
And is that, oh, a second battery.
That's
How cool.
awesome.
How cool is that?
Wow.
Has a second battery.
So neat. Perfect.
So let's go ahead and let's see everything together. What's that over there?
Instructions on how to put it together, but it looks pretty straightforward anyways. We do need a bucket as our water source, which makes this so easy to use, you guys. I cannot wait.
How cool is that? You just drop one end into a bucket of water and that's all you need.
Unreal. Unreal.
I'm so excited for this. Would you mind if I assembled it or do you want to assemble it? Or should we just do it together?
Since it's Father's Day and we have Ruby now, I will allow you the pleasure of assembling it.
No, none of that. What does it say? This is, wow, clicks right into place. Cool, cool, cool.
If I didn't mention it earlier, you guys, This is by Lippert. We've worked with them before. They also work with Aries, which is our tube doors and our side steps. They are an absolutely amazing company that makes incredible products. They have a lot of RV equipment as well. So this comes from that line. So if you have RVs, anything that is attached to the vehicle, towing also, go ahead and check them out.
And stick around to the end of the video to hear about our giveaway. Don't forget, we are giving 3 of these away to 3 lucky winners. Now why don't we go ahead and talk about the apparatus here. First and foremost, this is the first time I'm holding this in my hand. It definitely has a very high-end feel to it. This feels really spectacular, feels solid. I like the construction of it. Now the trigger action is very crisp. I would describe it as crisp. Feel that.
Check it out, check it out. Wow,
feels
satisfying.
Good. Now next, you'll notice this is an extension bracket, snaps right into place, secure. You could pop it off by pressing that button on the top, and there you have it. Alright, up next, it looks like we have 2 different attachments here. It looks like it has this articulating sprayer here. We'll test them all out in just a moment. And then we have this other nozzle that has the 6-in-1 head. Also snaps right into place and also has the area for the foam. So why don't we go ahead and check it out?
So cool. Everything clips in perfectly. Crisp is a good word to describe it.
So what I am gonna do next is I am actually just gonna start off with the one that does not use any foam, just to see how this thing works. Let us go ahead and slap on this battery, which I am guessing just slides in like so. Wow. This thing is nuts. Look at this. So cool. And grab your favorite bucket like Arlene has done. That is our trusty turtle wax bucket. And here is the hose. Let's pop the hose in. Wow, everything clips in so nicely. Look at this. This is screaming quality. Wonder. Alright, next we are going to fill the bucket with water.
Alright, I'll be there.
You come back now. Go Ollie, go Ollie. Get the bucket with water. Get the bucket with water. Oh yeah. Wow. By the way, look at that queen palm that we planted. It is growing so tall and so big. How cool is that?
Show them the patio I painted.
Oh yeah, Arlene painted this patio. I'm not sure if you guys remember, but it used to be hummus color, the yellow, light yellow. That's our Monstera over there, just waiting for the paint to dry before it goes back home. And there's Ruby. Ruby! Aw. Hey buddy. What's up, little Rubini? Hi! You can't join us for this one, can you? So one thing that excites us a lot is we're actually planning on painting the house ourselves in just a couple weeks. And we plan on using this pressure washer to clean it. Alright, we have the full hose. Why don't we go ahead and let her rip?
Wait, don't I have to fill this with some good old stuff?
Not yet. We're gonna use the one without the foam function.
Catch.
Let's do it. Let us go ahead and grab the end of, this is so cool. Let's grab the end. Looks like it has a filter in place. Just drop it in our bucket.
Can I try?
And
who goes first?
Next thing I'm gonna do is squeeze this. Oh, there we go. Water's coming up. Oh, wow. Wow. Just look at the fine misting pattern. Wow, look at the dirt coming off the rims with just the pressure washer. Look at that. No soap. What happened?
You know I love this kind of stuff. This is what I like to do. Wow, I can feel it. It has some juice. Wow.
I think we had enough fun with that one. Why don't we go ahead and try the other one? Go ahead and unclip that top attachment. All right.
Little water residue.
And let us clip in the other attachment. You don't have to hold. It just pops right into place. So here is the bottle. You just grab the clip on both sides. And this is ordinary wash and wax juice. Let us fill this stuff. Maybe just start right around there. About that much. And let us go ahead and drop this cap in. Boom, and clip it into place.
Now
There we are.
Woohoo.
Locked and loaded.
Now this head, you guys, if you look at the top, has degree angles. So it's a 0-degree angle in terms of the water coming out, and then as you rotate the top, it's gonna shoot in different angles. So why don't we check it out? It is at 0 right now. You ready?
Let's see it. So cool. So cool. That was the 20 degrees. Why don't we take it up a notch? What's the next one?
40.
Let's do 40.
Oh, and then foam is next.
Oh, there's a foam
There's
option.
a foam option. Just skip ahead to foam.
Let's skip ahead to foam.
Okay. Ready?
Is it on foam?
It's on foam.
Let's see it. Oh wow, that's great. Oh wow. Look, we got our foam cannon.
Are you serious? Come from right here. Come.
So what's next?
The hood.
Let's see it. Wow.
Unreal.
Thoughts?
I'll charge you 15 bucks. You guys bring your Jeeps over. I'll give it a quick wash. 15 bucks. That's all. That's all I'm asking for.
Oh my gosh, you're opening up the comment section there, huh, aren't you?
Now, let's rinse it off. Ready? Start from the side. As I'm going through all these nozzles, you guys, I just did the shower one and I have to show you guys. Check it out. Look at that soap.
That's really cool. It also lets you like actually keep track of how much water you're planning on using.
For sure. You don't have to waste
I've
water.
noticed it's not actually using a ton of water. It uses a fair amount and it shoots it pretty quickly, but it doesn't really use a whole lot, which is great. And I guess technically it's illegal for us to wash our own cars here in Southern California. You know that? Yeah. So,
Whoop, whoop. Let's get this soap taken off.
I say I could leave you here for hours.
No, I'll wash my car every week.
It's actually a Jeep.
Ruby, right? Huh? Ruby, hey. Hey, hey, hey.
Get him.
No, man.
Get him, get him. There's no soap in there, right?
No, it's finished. The soap is done, so.
Get him.
Ruby. Disassembly is super easy, you guys. The water nozzle just clips right off. The battery has 2 clips on the left and the right. All you have to do is clip it and pull it right out. And Ruby knows all about that. Super easy. Everything is honestly plug and play, clip and play actually.
Clip and play.
Clip and play. And like we mentioned earlier, it comes with 2 batteries and the plug to charge it. Very, very easy. Now back to the giveaway, right, you guys? If you want this power washer or would like to gift it to a father or father figure for Father's Day, you have 2 weeks to enter the giveaway. We will be drawing on Father's Day. 2 weeks, you guys. In order to enter, there's a couple steps. First step, you need to be following Lippert on Instagram, so make sure to hit that follow button. Second, you need to be subscribed to Garage Couples YouTube channel. And number 3, drop a comment below with your best dad joke.
Drop those best dad jokes below and let's see who has the best of them all.
That's right.
How are we gonna select?
Similar to past giveaways, you guys, you need to be 18 or over to enter. You also need to be in the United States. We are gonna randomly select one of the comments below with a random comment picker.
3 of the comments below.
You're right, 3 of the comments below. You can only enter once though, you guys, so if you drop a couple comments, that doesn't mean you're entered more than once. Again, 3 steps. Follow Lippert on Instagram, follow Garage Couple on YouTube and drop a comment with your best dad joke. Now again, you guys, this was amazing. You saw it's a great product. It's handy to have, not only to wash your Jeeps or any vehicle. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to follow those steps if you want to be entered in the giveaway. We're giving 3 of them away. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and we are excited to have you along for the ride. See you all soon, and happy Father's Day.
Thank you so much for watching. Take care, guys.